Now we have analgesics. See, analgesics are those which reduce or abolish pain without the impairment of consciousness, mental confusion, paralysis or some other disturbance in a nervous system. So we use analgesic in that case. And you know that analgesics are categorized into two categories. One is non-narcotic and the other is narcotic. See, the non-narcotic is non-addictive, that you don't get addicted to that. But the narcotic one is an addictive, you get easily addicted to that. For example, non-narcotic, that is non-addictive one like aspirin, paracetamol, these are non-addictive medicines, analgesics. And the narcotic like morphine, heroin, codeine, these all are the one which actually they are habit forming, and the ones like one person get used to taking these kind of things, he get addicted to this, and we have already discussed that it has a very adverse effect on his health. So now we are going to discuss the non-addictive, that is non-narcotic, and the narcotic one in the detail. So we'll start with the non-narcotic one first, that is with an aspirin.